Honestly, Marshall Emberton 2 works like magic with a Windows 10 or 11 if you use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So today, we're going to connect and pair this wireless speaker with our Windows laptop. For that, first you need to take your Marshall Emberton into pairing mode. To do that, first make sure it's turned on. Now just press and hold this Bluetooth button for a few seconds when the red LED starts pulsing. That means it's in pairing mode. On our Windows, you need to go to the Bluetooth and Devices settings. You can add device right from here or just click on this Add Device icon. Click on Bluetooth, and when Emberton's name pops up, just click on it to pair. Press Done, and that's it. Your Emberton 2 is now paired with your favorite Windows laptop. But hey, that's not all. All you have to do is from here, go to System, to Sound, and make sure your Emberton 2 is selected as output device. And your work is done here. Now you can just go ahead and listen to music using your newly paired Marshall Emberton as a Bluetooth speaker. Whenever you turn off your Bluetooth speaker, it will be disconnected from your Windows. And whenever you turn it on, if your Windows is the last device it was paired to, it'll be automatically reconnected to your Marshall Emberton 2. And that's how easily you can pair your Marshall Emberton 2 with your Windows. Thanks for watching.